Hey guys, it's Hazel. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm filming my first Valentine's Day makeup tutorial and I'm so excited for you guys to see it. So today I'm going to be using the Modern Renaissance palette and I'm taking the shade Love Letter and just blending that in my crease. I'm then taking the shade Venetian Red and using that to darken and intensify my crease color. Next, I'm taking my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer and a flat top brush and just using that to start cutting my crease. I'm then going to take a little flat top brush to intensify my crease color so you can see where my cut crease starts and begins, and just so it's more sharp. Then I'm taking Tempera from the Modern Renaissance palette and using that to set my lid where I put the concealer. And then I'm taking the shade Spoiled from the Anastasia Beverly Hills blush kit to use as the pink eyeshadow. And then I'm using Sigma Wicked Gel Liner for my wing, and I'm going to fill it in with the Sephora liquid liner.
Get a good look at you. Ooh, so fly. Now I know why. Oh, you fancy.
I'm then taking yet another eyeliner, and this is the Kat Von D tattoo liner, just to perfect the inner corners of my eye. And then I'm using the Huda Beauty lashes in the style Noelle. I get so many compliments on these lashes. They're really, really pretty. Then I'm taking my Dr. Brandt Pour No More Luminizing Primer. This is a really nice primer. It gives your face a luminous glow.
Killer, my thriller, yeah, you're a classic, and you're all mine.
Next up, I'm taking my Giorgio Armani Luminous Silk Foundation. I'm in the shade 5, and then using my Real Techniques Beauty Blender to blend it all out.
And you got fixed up to the nines. Let me show you a few things. All pressed up in black and white, and I'm dressed in that dress you like. Love is swinging in the air tonight. Let me show you a few things.
For concealer, I'm using the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in light neutral, and I'm just applying that under my eyes, bridge of my nose, around the corners of my mouth, and on my forehead.
Let me show you a few things. Oh, show you a few things about love. Hey.
Then I'm taking my Laura Mercier Translucent Setting Powder and just using the Real Techniques Beauty Blender to set under my eyes and anywhere I put concealer, and then using a big powder brush to set the rest of my face. Then I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Light to Medium Contour Kit, and I'm taking those two shades right there and just using that to warm up my face and also give me some dimension. Dipping back into the ABH Blush Kit, I'm using the shade Coastline to add some blush to my cheeks. So then I'm taking the IT Cosmetics Tight Line Mascara for my lower lashes and then spraying my face with the Cover FX Illuminating Setting Spray to prep my skin for highlighter. I'm using the Laura Geller Gilded Honey Highlighter. It's pretty nice. Then taking my Kylie Jenner lip kit in Posie K. We have to have big, kissable, juicy lips for Valentine's Day. And I'm just aligning my lips and then using that liquid lipstick to fill it in. And I'm also going to be taking the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dainty Lip Gloss on top of it just to make it a little lighter, and I want it to be more glossy. So this is the finished look. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Slay this Valentine's Day, and I love you all.
Be the real love that